Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Corsair keyboard K95 RGB Platinum. It's a mechanical keyboard. It comes with such plastic, not sealed, so you may get it without it. There's the keyboard. This is how the box looks like. Okay, so let's open it. It has two seals on each side. So one is a little bit lower than the other. Okay. This. Black box inside. Logo here. Open. Here I have the keyboard. So platinum color. There is some kind of gray, different color. Okay, let's see. Let's take it out. Here we have the wire. Two connectors. So one is for the lighting. Okay. That's pretty heavy. Anything else? This thing. Okay. So let's open the keyboard. There's two plastic seals like this. Okay. USB connector here. On the back. Serial number, part number. Do this. So it stands up a little bit. Okay. And these you should be able to attach to the keyboard. That's pretty simple. Okay. Here's the keyboard. So it's mechanical keyboard, so you hear how you press the buttons. Okay. You can set up your buttons for gaming. And these. You can see how it's over here. Okay, so one connector is to connect the keyboard and the other one is to connect on the lights. So this is different colors. I believe you can change them. Looks pretty nice. Looks like a solid, expensive keyboard. I like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.